Hey there, I'm Corey Damen Jenkins, and welcome to my channel, Design Reimagined. I want to begin by inviting you into the design process for the home of my client, Miss Erica Faye Jones.
My style is whimsy, maximalist, authentic, bold.
In each episode, I'm going to take you through the design process for every room in Erica's house on the Upper East Side of Manhattan.
Standout piece.
Wow factor. I promise you, there are so many principles that we can unlock together on this journey that you'll be able to apply in your own space.
Okay. It's beautiful.
And functional.
And functional. Hello, somebody.
Right? So wherever you are in your own design journey, let me help you tap into your own inner design superhero to give you the tips and tricks of the trade to create a beautiful space for yourself and to do so with confidence and with joy.